Hey guys, so in this series of solving top interview problems, we are at our fourth problem. Not we actually solved it. We are at our fifth problem, which is longest palindromic substring. So we are given a string, and we have to return the longest palindromic substring of that string S. So how do we solve it? The first idea which comes to our mind is of DP, because we have solved a lot of DP problems. um, and yes, it is actually also a DP problem, but we can solve it without DP and without using extra memory by the fact that we are given the constraints of 10 power 3, which means that we can solve it in u of n square, and every palindromic is symmetric. So what we can think is that if we start at some point and we think of that point as the center of a palindrome, and we start traversing both left and right until we reach up at a point where the palindrome, the substring stops becoming a symmetric array. So for example, if if our string is a c a d b, so if we thought of C as a center of a palindrome, so first we traversed here, it is still a palindrome, then we will count it as our answer. After that we increase the size by one more m. So now it is not a palindrome because the left and right are not symmetric. So we stop here. So we keep on doing this for every center. Center can not only be C, it can also be a middle part, let's say A double A. So first center is 2A, then B A C. So this can also be a center for even palindromes. Yeah, so let's code it. We will be keeping our answer in a string called answer. Let's keep two variables L and R for the maximum size of a palindrome and be the size of our given string. Um, so for the case of, if our longest palindrome is of odd length, I will start traversing my array. I will start considering ith indexed point to be the center, and I will start traversing, increasing the size of my subarray. Whenever I will reach a point where either I am at the end of my subarray, or if the palindrome becomes stop becoming symmetric, then I will break. Otherwise, I will keep on updating my LNR. Similarly, for even size, and I will return the substring of maximum size. Yeah, so that's about it. If I am not able to explain the problem clearly, or if you want to do me to do something else to improve the explaining part, um, please write it in comments. I will try to explain better. Thank you.